Do you want to know what saved John and Karen's retirement? It wasn't stocks, it wasn't real estate, and it sure wasn't crypto. It was real assets, specifically a gold IRA rollover. And if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why this quiet shift in strategy is becoming the retirement hero no one saw coming. Because let's be honest, 2025 hasn't been easy. Inflation is still sticky. The Fed's pause on rate cuts rattled markets. And President Trump's re-election campaign just reignited the fiscal policy debate, again pushing gold prices to record highs. Meanwhile, traditional retirement portfolios? They're more vulnerable than ever. But back to John and Karen. They're a retired couple from Sarasota, Florida. He spent 30 years managing a distribution warehouse. She was a part-time nurse. After watching their 401k lose nearly 19% in 2022, they were done gambling. So they made a smart move. They rolled over exactly $528,160 into a gold IRA. Their goal wasn't to strike it rich. It was to stop losing, to preserve, to sleep at night knowing their retirement savings were tied to real, tangible value, not political drama or stock market swings. And guess what? That decision came from one small action. They requested the free Gold IRA guide, linked below. Now, let's break this down. Why are real assets suddenly the retirement heroes? Because real assets like physical gold don't evaporate when Wall Street panics. They've been used to store value for over 5,000 years. And right now, they're doing it again. Gold just passed $2,300 an ounce for the first time in history. Every time the market flinches, gold surges. And while bonds and cash keep losing to inflation, gold's doing what it always has, quietly protecting wealth. Look, I get it. You spent your life building that nest egg. You worked hard, you saved, you followed the rules, and now the rules keep changing. Tax hikes, bank failures, even whispers of central bank digital currencies. That's why people like John and Karen, and thousands more across the country, are shifting into gold IRAs. Not because they're conspiracy theorists, but because they're realists. And maybe you're the same. Maybe you're nearing retirement or already in it, with $100,000 or more in an IRA or old 401k. Maybe you just want options, a backup plan, something solid. That's what this free Gold IRA guide offers. No gimmicks, no pressure sales tactics. Just a short, one-on-one educational call to help you understand if a gold IRA could be a smart fit for your situation. And that story I told you about John and Karen? It started right there, with that free guide. So if you've ever asked yourself, what's my plan if the market crashes again? This is your moment to find out. Hit the link below, get the free guide, have the call, decide for yourself. You're not buying gold today, you're just getting informed. Because in a world of digital everything and endless headlines, real assets are still the real heroes. And your retirement deserves a hero.